We'll guide you through how to read WhatsApp messages without the blue ticks appearing. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on WhatsApp, and so you've got a message come through and you want to go and read it and you don't want the sender to go and know. And of course they know via the blue ticks. So what we can do is go and read the message without them showing. We'll guide you through this step by step. Make sure this full guide. This is convenient to do because sometimes people may go and expect to reply quickly when you've gone and read a message, or they may go and wonder why you haven't replied. But if the blue ticks don't appear, then they may not think that you've even gone and seen it. So we're going to guide you through this. So just to go and show you, I've gone and sent the message from this device here. You can go and see 2 grey ticks just there. And if I then go and open it up and go and read it, you can go and see it then goes and turns blue. And if I go and tap and hold my finger on it, press info, it'll go and say red, which we don't want. So to go and achieve this, it's much easier than you probably think. So what we're going to do is you can do this on an Android as well. So on an Android, it's very similar. We just need to go into a slightly different place, but I'm going to guide you through both. I'm just going to go and grab my Android now. So here we are on WhatsApp on Android. So what we need to do is we need to go and head to the settings. So on an Android, what you need to do is go to the top right and you can go and press on the 3 dots, wait for it to pop up. Go down and you can go and find the option for settings and you can go and tap there. Here we are. And on an iPhone, what you need to do is go down to the bottom right and there you'll go and find settings like so. Also, I'm going to go and mention another useful privacy settings you may go and find useful. So on an iPhone and an Android, it's now going to be the same. What we need to do is go and scroll down and go and find the option for privacy. So a setting you can consider changing as well is last seen and online. So you can press that here. So what this means is that if this is set to everyone or my contacts, people can go and see when you're currently online on WhatsApp, and they can also go and see when you were last active, which can be a little bit personal for me because I don't want people to go and know when I'm currently using WhatsApp, as once again, they can try and call me or maybe they go and expect to reply really quickly. So what you can do here is set this both to nobody or maybe just your contacts. I'll do the same for when I'm online. I'll set it to the same as last seen, which is therefore nobody. But to continue with the blue ticks, come back to the main privacy settings. What you want to do is go and scroll down and find read receipts. So read receipts is what the blue ticks are. If you turn off read receipts though, you won't be able to go and see read receipts from other people. So what that means is that because at the moment when I send a message, I can go and see if that person goes and reads it, if they've got the setting turned on as well. But if I go and turn this off, I won't know. It'll just go and stay the 2 grey ticks. For me, that's worth it. I'm not too worried. I prefer it to be the case where people can't go and see if I've read theirs. So now that we've gone and turned that off, just to go and make sure things are fully refreshed, I like to go and swipe up on WhatsApp and close it. You shouldn't need to do this, but I do it anyway, just to go make sure it's fully up to date. And now we're back on chats. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to come onto this device and go and send a message. So I'll go and say, hey, send that. You're going to see it's now going to come through. You can see 2 grey ticks. If I go and open it up and go and read it, you're going to go and see that it just stays the 2 grey ticks. If I tap and hold my finger on it, press info, it will just go and stay at delivered. You won't be able to go and see when it's been read. That's it. So that's how you can go and hide the blue ticks and they won't go and be shown. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. We make videos like this every single day, so I'm sure you'll go and find more useful. If you've got any suggestions, feel free to go put them down below as well, and look forward to help you again with your next tech problem.